It's Monday. I got a new video. Got the mythical Pokemon collection pack with the Keldeo. Bam, bam, bam. So take a look. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. Keldeo pack. It's October, so got a new mythical collection. Ooh, this one's super glued. So hopefully it's a killer pack. Got it. Alright. Try not to destroy it too bad. That does. Oops. Got the cord and the pin. Let's check out the pin first. If I can grab it properly. Pretty little pony. I'm a brony now. Alright. That in the back. Here's the card. Ooh. XY promo. It's a party card. And here's a code card. Tell me what you guys get. Comment and tell me if you got any cool things for the card game. Any special breeds going in. Alright, so which one should we do? At least Charizard for last, because Charizard's awesome. I like Venusaur though a lot too. It was always my starter because a lot of people don't pick it. So I'm just like, screw it. I like getting it. Hopefully it starts off good. We get some good pulls. Alright, I'm just going to go through them. The Fairy Energy, Zubat, Magmar, Diglett. Our reverse hollow is Olympia. Oh shit, got a Sylveon EX. Yeah. I got one. I got like 3 now, but budget. Can't complain with EXs. Parasect was the last one. Get some focus in this. Focus, fellas. Cat's playing with the boxes already. What you doing down there, kitty? Playing with boxes? You're playing with boxes. Okay. Did this one pretty perfect. Alright. Let's get some good luck into this. Get another EX. Charmander. Metapod. Magikarp. Shielder. Machop. Got a Fighting Energy. Reverse is a Hunter. Ooh, Yveltal. Not bad. And a Hitmonchan. At least I got a holographic. So let's go through it again. Yveltal. I got another one from that other pack. Sylveon EX. Got the Keldeo with the pin. Pretty nice pack. This kind of goes with it pretty well. So pretty good pull. So just like, comment, subscribe. I'm still doing the contest. Let's get some followers, some subscribers, some comments, and you can win some pins. Just do a comment. Tell me what pin you want. I'll just give it to you. Just tell me. Let's get to 20 subscribers. And then the most comments will get 1 pin out. And I'll thank you for watching. I'll see you later.